Hey guys, it's Ty. Thanks for watching the Fumble. The new NBA 2K17 comes out in a month, so you know what that means, right? Leaks. The first leaks we've seen are a couple team ratings. Minnesota Timberwolves are top 5 and Lakers are bottom 5. This info was shared on Karl Anthony Towns' Instagram. So how did he get it? We're guessing Ronnie2K. Ronnie2K is a spokesperson for the game and has been sending overall ratings to any player who tweets from their verified account and asks. Another leak we found is a screenshot of the Cavs rating. Some of these just don't make sense though. The overall ratings are fine, but when you look at the in-depth grades, you get this. LeBron James has a D+ in three-pointers and so does Channing Frye. What? They both deserve better than a D+ for threes, right? Overall, LeBron has a 96 rating, according to this picture, and Kyrie has an 89. You'd think after he made that clutch play that won the series, it would have bumped him up a bit, but whatever. And Kevin Love has an 82. Alright guys, to keep getting updated ratings on your favorite players and teams, check Ronnie2K 2K17's Twitter. The game is set to release September 20th. What do you guys think of these ratings? Are there any leaks we missed? Let me know in the comments below. To make sure you don't miss any news happening in the sports world, make sure to subscribe before you go. Click the Fumble logo right there. We'll see you soon.